Hi everyone. You ever just wanted to get up and go and not have to worry about your hair? Well, I decided to make what is called the new hairdo cap. As you see here, it was sewn on a machine and I used satin fabric on the inside of the cap, and it comes with Velcro strap, and you can adjust that to whatever size you feel comfortable with. I didn't use any hair glue, any hot glue, or anything like that in the making of this cap. This here I am wearing is a 22-inch. It's 100% human hair, a body wave, and as you see, I'm using a black cap. We do offer different color caps, and I will show the different colors I offer at the end of the video. Now, I left the hair in a natural state just so you can see how the body wave hair looks. But I'm going to go ahead and do some quick curls in it just to show you how it looks when it's curled as well. I think I did like 3 curls on each side, just something real quick. Some people might not have the time to do that, which is the whole purpose of this, is when you don't have the time. So if you do want curls at night, you can just use some flexi rods or something and comb it out in the morning. So that's the after look right there. I comb it out and you got a whole different style. Real cute and simple. And I use only 2 bundles in the making of this. Now I want to show you how you can do it as a ponytail. Now for me, I have short hair, so it was easier for me. But for anyone else, that has long hair, you can just slick it into a ponytail. It's more about the back being slicked into a ponytail real good. And from there, you can, like what I'm doing, fixing my sides, and then you can go ahead and make your ponytail. Now, what you're going to see here with me making this ponytail is because I was trying to rush. I had a hard time with getting all of the hair in. The hair on the right, that little freaking piece was driving me crazy. I couldn't get it in. You're going to see my frustration show like real soon. But see, I like to jog, so this is my go-to hairstyle in the morning. At night, I put it in a ponytail and I put it on my mannequin. So in the morning, all I have to do is get dressed and put it on my head and just going out the door, like that easy. Now, excuse my lining. I forgot to give myself a lining before the making of this video, and I did not feel like making another one, so I apologize for that. Now here, I wanted to show you this idea that I had. This is from my mom and daughter. They like to wear their sides out with a ponytail. So I decided to put that into making one of my caps. Now here, this is a 12-inch curly, and only 1 bundle was used for this. You don't have to have the sides, but if you do, that's how it will look. Like it. This here is my 12-inch deep wave. Just like the first one, I used 2 bundles in the making of this, and it can be worn down or also in a ponytail, which I'm about to show you. And this is my navy blue cap, so you get to see how that cap looks. Now here, you don't have to put a rubber band around it. You can just put the Velcro strap around it and go like that. Nice. Very easier than the first video that I showed. Now here, I just wanted to show you the inside of the cap real quick, and that's how it looks with the satin. Real nice. And I thank you for watching the video. You can go to jnewwigs.com to order or any questions. Bye.